Stop using clunky default settings and keep up with PC players with this guide. You're going to go into Controller Settings, Horizontal and Vertical Stick Sensitivity. The first thing we need to understand here is that in Season 2, major movement buffs have been made. These major movement buffs affect your horizontal and your vertical stick sensitivity. For my slower moving players, try a value of 1.6, gradually increasing by 0.10 every few matches. For my movement demons, go ahead and put it at 2.3. Vertical stick sensitivity. Our main focus here is not speed. It is snapping onto the head and accuracy. Once again, for slower moving players, try a value of 1.6, gradually increasing by 0.10. For my movement demons, go ahead and put this to 2.0. Let's go down to controller vibration. Turn this off because it does affect your aim. Trigger effect for PlayStation players, turn this off. Dead zone inputs. This is one of the most important settings. I cannot stress this enough. For your left stick minimum and your right stick minimum, you want these values as close to 0 as possible. Now, once you decrease these values, do your test stick dead zone to on and rotate your sticks. Now, as you see, when I rotate my sticks, my horizontal axis and vertical axis numbers change. When I am not touching my stick, my horizontal and vertical axis is 0%. This is where we want the axis. If your axis is not 0%, turn your test off. Left stick minimum if it's your left stick, and right stick minimum if it is your right stick axis. Increase this number by 1, and every time you increase it by 1, test your dead zone, rotate the affected stick until it hits 0. Now for your maximums. Please do not follow the big streamers and just put it on 65. You are going to lose control and you will be very inaccurate. To start off with this, try 90. If 90 is comfortable, you can move down to 85. For L2 and R2, LT and RT on Xbox, put these values as close to 0 as possible without aiming or shooting accidentally. Let's go over to aiming. Sensitivity multiplier. Your ADS sensitivity multiplier. You should only change this if you are missing shots while ADS. If you are missing shots while ADS, put this down to 0.95. Now aiming advanced settings. You're going to do transition timing to instant. And for my players just now changing these settings, do dynamic. For my players that are comfortable with the aiming settings, do linear. You're going to push show more, and your response curve slope. Put this down to 0.20 or 0.10. If you cannot change the ADS sensitivity multiplier, turn your custom sensitivity per zoom off. This should be off anyways. Target aim assist should be on, and then we're going to go to movement. So for sprint assist, if you have sprint assist on, this will slow down your sprint to fire speed. Turn this off, show more, sideways and backwards on. Mantle assist off, no more accidental mantling. Crouch assist off. Corner slice is a visual only setting. It will affect your aim when moving around corners. Turn this off. Slide behavior. This is a preference. I have mine tapped to slide. Automatic airborne mantle should be off. Sprint restore is on. Slide maintain sprint off. If you come out of a slide and automatically sprint, you are going to have a slower sprint to fire speed. Then we're going to go into movement advanced settings. What you're looking for here is grounded mantle. Make sure your grounded mantle is turned off. No accidental mantles, period. You're going to go over to combat. This is our last tab for the controller. The only thing we want to change here is combat advanced settings. Sprint cancels reload on. This will double down on your YY and have you canceling reloads much faster. If you'd like to see the graphics and interface settings, please leave a like and follow us. Those videos are coming soon.